At the end of all of our generational cycles in which there is disinflation and gradually declining interest rates coupled by increasing debt, there is always a debt collapse that marks the end of that cycle. Those cycles are also followed by a political realignment during which the debtor classes and the elements of the economy that were excluded from the financial boom reassert political power. The interesting question right now is, if we compare our current circumstance to prior debt collapses, is there anything we can learn about the political dynamic and the opportunities we have to improve our circumstances? The three great prior debt collapses were the Panic of 1819, related to mortgages in the Louisiana Purchase, which led to the ascendancy of the Jacksonians. The Panic of 1893, arising from railroad debt collapse, leading to the emergence of the Progressive Era, and the crash of 1929, leading to, with the collapse of consumer debt and margin debt, leading to the ascendancy of the New Deal. Of these three cycles, the one that looks most analogous to what we have right now is the crash of 1893, leading to the progressive movement. The reason I say that is, then as now, both major political parties were split into establishment wings and reform wings. So the Republicans had the business Republicans and the progressive or bull moose Republicans, whereas the Democrats had the gold Democrats and the populists. At the same time, the other similarity is the fact that during that period there was the discovery of gold in the middle 1890s in South Africa, which served fortuitously to inject a great deal of liquidity into the economy, so that the reflationary effects were rather better than occurred either in the 1819 experience or in the Great Depression. So the recovery was better. Similarly, our actions by the Federal Reserve in this case have been much better than in the 1930s. Therefore, it seems likely that both parties, the Democrats with an establishment wing and a liberal wing, and the Republicans with their establishment wing and the Tea Party, will be alternating in their process of effecting reform with the objective of rebalancing the economy towards the debtor classes and towards the real economy at the expense of financial interests.